Do you think you can't get rich because you don't make six figures? What if I told you that no matter how much money you make, there are 6 habits that will help you make more? Want to know what they are? Stay tuned, because these methods could change your financial future so much. Number 6. Invest your financing in a strategic manner. In a statement, Seuthe, the chief executive officer of Credit Summit Debt Consolidation, stated, "That is how you really start to accumulate wealth. When you are in the middle class and don't have a lot of money left over to invest, the first thing you should do is create a savings account that offers a good rate of return." According to him, this is a risk-free investment that essentially enables your money to earn a sizable amount of interest that is substantially more than that of traditional savings accounts. Aside from that, you should concentrate on assets that have a low risk but a great profit, and you should avoid risky investments, Seuthe advised. It was agreed upon by Jake Hill, a finance specialist and the CEO of DebtHammer. If you are of the middle class, you have the opportunity to increase your wealth by making an investment in a source of passive income. For instance, transferring a portion of your savings into a brokerage account, a certificate of deposit, or even a high-yield savings account can automatically assist you in increasing your net worth, he explained. He explained that persons with lower incomes often do not have access to savings, whereas people in the middle class are in a good position to take advantage of these opportunities. David Kemmerer, the chief executive officer of Kojonen, underlined the need of remaining committed to investments that are essentially risk-free. "In my experience, when you are in the middle class and might not have much extra to devote to investing, you should focus on building wealth over time rather than risking it all on high-stakes fad investments," I have said. Number 5. Employee tax-favored retirement accounts such as 401(k) and individual retirement accounts, IRAs. According to Kojonen, the power of compound interest in these accounts cannot be understated under any circumstances. As a result of the tax-deferred or tax-free growth, even relatively small contributions have the potential to substantially increase over time. According to him, for instance, continually boosting contributions to these accounts based on incremental raises or bonuses might develop to a sizable nest egg, which can then benefit from the tax advantages given by compound growth. Number 4. Put your money into real estate. One further way to increase one's wealth, as stated by Kojonen, is to make investments in real estate. He stated that this strategy has the potential to generate both rental income and appreciation over the course of time. According to his explanation, this does not necessarily mean purchasing a second home. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a potential investment option that may be considered at times. As an illustration, one of my customers started investing in a property that was quite small and easy to handle. The rental revenue allowed them to invest in additional properties over time, which resulted in a significant increase in their wealth without the need for a significant initial commitment of capital, as he explained. Number 3. Start a side business or job. Beginning a side business or taking on a job that requires you to work part-time can be an effective strategy to boost your income and accumulate money over the course of time. The following is an explanation from Kojonen, a financial expert. Embracing a side hustle that aligns with your interests or professional skills can incrementally boost your income, allowing you to invest more. This is not simply about making additional money. Rather, it is about taking advantage of that money in a planned manner in order to improve your financial future. When you select a side hustle that is in line with your interests or makes use of the skills you already possess, you not only have the opportunity to generate more revenue, but you also improve the likelihood that you will take pleasure in the employment that you are doing. Because of this delight, one may become more dedicated to their work, which may ultimately result in increased revenue. The genuine power of a side hustle, on the other hand, is in the choice of what to do with the money that you earn from it. There is a possibility that spending the more income will give you with satisfaction in the short term, but investing it intelligently can put you on the path to long-term financial success. Kojonen places a strong emphasis on the significance of strategically capitalizing on the money that is generated by your side business activity. Investing the money you make from your side hustle in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds could potentially yield higher returns, which would compound your wealth over time, he recommends. This would be a perfect way to build wealth over time. By taking this technique, you will be able to transform the earnings from your side hustle into a source of rapid wealth growth. When you invest these funds on a consistent basis, you will be able to take advantage of the power of compounding, which is when the earnings from your investments generate further returns. The primary objective of beginning a side business or job is not simply to increase one's income. Rather, it is to devise a financial strategy that will allow one to make use of the increased income in order to accumulate wealth. You may transform your side hustle into a long-term financial growth opportunity by concentrating on investments. This will allow you to secure your financial future and possibly achieve financial independence sooner than you might have imagined feasible. Number 2. Put more emphasis on economic education. In order to amass wealth over an extended period of time, it is essential to have a strong understanding of finances. According to the consensus of the majority of experts, literacy in financial matters serves as the basis upon which all efforts to generate wealth are constructed. When one does not have a comprehensive understanding of personal finance, investing techniques, and the dynamics of the market, it becomes difficult to make judgments that are in line with one's long-term financial objectives. According to Kojonen, an experienced financial advisor, this idea is emphasized by the following statement. In my experience, clients who take the time to understand the fundamentals of personal finance, investment strategies, and the market tend to make decisions that are more informed and in alignment with their long-term goals. The discoveries made by Kojonen shed light on the significant part that financial education plays in the process of successfully accumulating an abundance of wealth. People who devote some of their time to acquiring knowledge about topics such as managing their finances, creating a budget, investing, and keeping up with market trends are better able to make choices that are in line with their financial goals. Having this information gives individuals the ability to confidently navigate the complexity of the financial world, allowing them to avoid frequent errors and make decisions that move them toward financial security and prosperity. It is also important to note that Kojonen mentions that getting this financial information does not necessitate enrolling in pricey classes or obtaining academic degrees. It is not necessary to enroll in expensive classes, he explains, because this does not require it. Instead, individuals can acquire a solid understanding of personal finance by providing themselves with opportunities for self-education. Everyone has the ability to acquire the knowledge essential to make more effective financial judgments if they make use of trustworthy financial literature and resources. Individuals are able to learn at their own pace and concentrate on topics that are most pertinent to their professional and financial objectives when they engage in self-education, which provides flexibility and accessibility. Numerous resources are available to assist individuals in developing their financial literacy. These resources can be found in the form of books, online courses, podcasts, or websites that are dedicated to providing financial information. Individuals can build the skills and information necessary to make informed decisions by committing to continual learning, which eventually leads to the accumulation of wealth over the long run and financial success. Number 1. Get your own company off the ground. Brett Stubbendeck, an expert in finance and insurance at Leverage Planning, stated that with the power of the internet, it has become easier than ever before to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. It doesn't matter if you're selling handcrafted products on Etsy or starting a dropshipping company. The online world is teeming with opportunities just waiting to be discovered. He elaborated by saying, in fact, one of our customers, Sarah, participated in that activity. She was able to take her business to new heights by starting her own e-commerce firm selling handmade jewelry over the internet. Our efforts resulted in the optimization of her pricing strategy, the expansion of her product line, and the exponential growth of her firm. It is incredible what can be accomplished with the right financial guidance. Don't miss out on more tips to boost your wealth. Hit subscribe and take control of your financial future today.